Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm doing something different. Yankee Doodle. Some finger picking exercises. Cool song to learn. Okay, I'm doing it in C. This could be fun for all the acoustic players out there. Alright, so let's go. We're gonna grab a C major. And this is not for beginners, it's more advanced. Grab a C major, 1, 2, 3. And then the melody starts on the first fret. First fret B, and then 3B, and then open E. And then you grab the bass again. And play first fret B, and then open E. I'm just gonna say the notes. So that's C, C, D, E, C, E. And then you grab G in the bass and play a D on top, and then open G. And then repeat until we get to the E. Then you play C and open B with G in the bass. Alright, let's work on that a couple of times. It's open B actually, not G there. Move on. C, C with bass, C bass, C, C, D, E. Then we're gonna grab an F major, and the top note is here, F, and then open E, D, C. And with G in the bass and play open B to G, A, open B, and end with C. Alright, let's do that again slow. Time. Alright, so that's the first part. That's half the song, and then we got, let's call it the chorus, I guess. So we got the first part was the verse, and then we have so that starts on F with open B string. So the first note is you focus on the A. So that's A, B, A, G, A, B, C. starts with G. A, G, F, E, G. Second time on the F you end on A, and then we grab just a C major, play open G, the top note is G to C, and then G in the bass to D, and then C. Let's do it one more time, slow. Nice. Alright, I hope this helped. Kind of different fun what I'm normally doing with the pop songs and rock songs. So, a little picking exercise for you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care, be safe. And I'll see you maybe tomorrow.